Worried your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus might have a virus, malware, or suspicious apps slowing it down? Don't worry. Here's how to run a full security scan and keep your phone protected. Open Settings and tap Device Care. Now, look for App Protection. On some Samsung phones, this may also appear as Device Protection. If it's turned off, tap Turn On. Once enabled, tap Scan Phone. Your phone will now check installed apps, downloads, and other files for possible threats. If you have a lot of apps or files, this might take a little time. Now, here's a useful tip. If you want your phone to scan automatically, tap the three dots in the top right and open App Protection Settings. From there, you can turn on options like Auto Scan Daily and Scan when installing apps. That helps keep your phone protected in the background. And that's it. Your Galaxy S26 Ultra is now set up for built-in malware scanning.